I'm teacher BoQian from Kangaroo Study. Welcome back to our channel again. Now, this will be the last day of our check-in challenge, and the topic for today is access and shortage. So, let us take a look at the question together. So, in this question, Mrs. Lim is giving the sweets to the student in her class. If she gives each girl 6 sweets, each boy 4 sweets, she has 8 sweets left. Now, if each girl receives 5 sweets and each boy gets 5 sweets, she has 20 sweets left. So, they're asking, how many more girls are there than boys in her class? So let's think. This question have given us a lot of information here. And we got the girls and the boys. And the number of sweets are given to them are even changing from the first time to the second time. You see, first time the girl gets 6, boy gets 4. Second time, both will get 5. Too many changing things. How do we compare? So no worries, everyone. When we are not sure about what to do, we can always start from the special case. Now, in this case, it will be same number of boys and same number of girls. So let's see what's going to happen in this case. So in the first time, the girl gets 6, the boy gets 4. Second time, the girl gets 5, the boy gets 5. So have you noticed one thing here? For the first time, one girl and one boy, they get a total of, this is 10. How about the second time? The second time is also 10. So no matter how we change, whether it's the first time or the second time, the number of sweets given to one boy and one girl, this will always be the same. Now, if it's the same number of boys and girls, this means we have same number of groups. So same number of groups, each group is 10 sweets. How about the total? Very good, everyone. The total will also be the same. So after knowing this, we are able to solve the question now. So let's relook at the question. Now compare the first time and the second time. Which one we have given out more sweets? Some of you may say, second time must give out more sweets because we got a bigger number. This is 20. But we got to be careful here. Now these are the sweets that's left. Now first time we got 8 sweets left. Second time is 20 sweets left. If we have more sweets left, did we give out more sweets or fewer sweets? Perfect! We must have given out fewer sweets because the total is the same. So this means on the first time, when we have fewer sweets left, then we have given out more sweets. So the first time compared to the second time, 20 minus the 8. So in the first time, we have given out 12 more sweets to the boys and the girls. Now from our special case just now, we know that if it's an equal number of boys and the girls, the total will not change. So let's get this part first. This is the equal part. Now the total number of sweets given to them is still the same, but we want it to be more sweets given on the first time. So is it more girls or more boys on the first time? Let's think. Now the girl gets 6 on the first time, gets 5 on the second time. So they receive more sweets on the first time. For the boy, they get 4 on the first time, 5 on the second time. So they receive less on the first time. So this means that we cannot have more boys in the first time because this way, those extra boys, they will receive fewer sweets compared to the second time. So we know that now there are more girls than the boys. Now if it's more girls than the boys, let's write it down. The girls get 6 first time, gets 5 the second time. So we have to find how many more girls are there. So we can always compare the difference in one girl first. So for each of the girl, 6 sweets, 5 sweets. So we can see that in the first time, this is 1 more sweet given to the girl. Now altogether, how many more sweets are given to the girls? Perfect! We have 12 more sweets given to the students. So each girl, this is 1 more. So it means that we have to do, very good everyone, we gotta do our division again. So 12 divided by 1. There must be 12 more girls than the boys. So for these girls, you get those 12 more sweets here. The answer is 12. So now, let us do a quick summary here. Now, in this question, when we do the grouping, this is according to the same number of sweets. We have to ensure that each group is same number of sweets. And then the total number of groups, the total will also be the same. Group by the equal number. The other thing is when we are checking for those extra number of girls, when we are finding the number, first thing we look for is the total difference. Then divide by the individual difference. So in this question, the total difference is in the first time we have given out 12 mouse sweets. Then the second time. The individual difference is that for each girl, they receive 1 mouse sweet in the first time compared to the second time. So using the division, we can find the number of extra girls here. Now, after we are clear about this question, we are able to solve the bonus question. So, if you haven't joined our group yet, you can contact me directly. I'll add you to our study group. Or else, you can also scan the QR code by yourself to join the groups. So, until the next time, peace out!